Okay, Chris, it's time to get started. Let's go ahead and start the process. All right, 5D on the dial date and 5D on the case back date. Perfect. Ooh-wee. That is... I have not seen one with a hole here. Oh yeah. All right, well that is teardown complete. We've got some jeweling to do, some cleaning to do, some rebuilding to do, and we will be back with all your pieces nice and clean and ready to go. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, Chris, we are ready for reassembly. All your parts are freshly cleaned and looking good. I got your new arbor port jewel here in your main plate, and there's its corresponding upper arbor jewel in your train bridge, so that's ready to go. Now it's just a point of reassembly, so we're going to start that process now. Okay, well that's the movement back up and running. Let's see if we made things better. Alright, this is a good starting point. Let's go ahead and start adjusting. First thing we're going to do is bring down the beat error, and then we'll adjust the amplitude, the rate, and see how that corresponds to a change in the amplitude. Oop, the wrong direction. Sorry about that. We got kind of cut off. I've got some more adjustments to make, and we're going to let this fully break in. But otherwise, looking really good. Heading in the right direction, and I'm happy. All right, we'll be back. All right, well, that's the movement assembled. So now it's time to go ahead with your dial and hands, get everything back into the case, and we will be ready to finish. Okay, looking good. Okay, Chris, last few pieces. All right, well, there it is. There is your 1975 6105 8119 Willard. It came out really nice. I'm very, very happy with the outcome. It's a great runner. No real issues to report. It's doing very well. I'm very happy with the performance of the watch. The signal is super clean, as we had hoped. Nothing really changed cosmetically. I did clean your hands just ever so gently. Got some of the black away from your minute hand and your second hand. Your hour hand was pretty good. It had some spots on it, but I was able to get those cleaned off, and it just presents really well. New seals everywhere. Your crown has been rebuilt. Let's go through just the parts that were replaced. That's your bezel seal and droops. Your crown seal, you can see your crown seal is very, very stiff. That is just a piece of plastic at this point. And your bezel seal was wrong sized, which I think had something to do with the way that it was clicking. I'll show you that in a moment. There's your bushing for your upper mainspring arbor port, which is now a jewel. And those will come home, of course, to you. And do with them what you like. The The watch itself, I just cleaned the case back just a little bit. I cleaned I cleaned everything in the cleaner, but of course no polishing, just a light cleaning with sonication, soapy water. Everything functions exactly as you'd hoped. It's hacking, which is what it's supposed to do. And here we go, click over for the date. We can check the quick change here. That works perfectly. Today is the 6th, I believe. There we go. Nope. Yeah. All right. Well, we didn't change your crystal, of course, that's the one that it came with. We can check your bezel here and just give a good listen. Still very good clicks, nice and smooth. Oop, hands are a little dry. Nice and smooth. Feels really good. That action is exactly as it should be. A little bit stiff, but not too stiff. Just sort of dampened out by that inner O-ring. Okay, well, your Uncle Seiko strap is here. There are your things, and I think that's watch completed. All right, well, thank you very much, Chris, for trusting me with this. I look forward to getting this back on your wrist so you can enjoy it, and thanks for watching.